Do you want to know how many traders are currently buying euro-dollar and how many are selling? Not tick volumes in the metatrader, but the real ratio of participants. It is no secret that the majority always loses in this market, while the minority is in profit. Do you want to be in the minority so you know which direction to get into a trade? That's exactly what I capitalized on this week. The tool I'm about to talk about is very useful for beginners. It specifically shows you when to buy and when to sell. But even if you are an experienced trader, I think you know that every broker has its own tricks. A markets broker has its own unique service. It is called Cayman Market Sentiment Indicator. The video will be waterless, really short, so watch it carefully until the end. Let's get straight to the point. This is what the Cayman looks like. It really shows the ratio of traders who are now buying and who are now selling. For example, here's the euro-dollar. 73% of traders are now buying and 26% are now selling. What does that mean? That the majority are now buying and the minority are now selling. Do you want to be in the minority? It's probably no secret to you that the majority always loses in this market, and the minority is in profit. In order to be in the minority, you need to know this exact ratio. This is the Cayman version on the website, but to use it professionally, you need to open an account and install MetaTrader. This is what Cayman looks like with MetaTrader. In order to use Cayman, you need to find in the market overview these symbols with the initial letters CM, which means Cayman. The broker does not give us all instruments, only 16. Let me mark the boundaries now. According to statistics, if traders outnumbering exceeds 70%, yes, I have marked 70%, the market will move towards the least resistance. That is, in the opposite direction. And also at the bottom, if the majority is now selling, that is the boundary below 30%, then that means the market is about to move up, and this ratio is constantly changing. If the ratio is in the neutral zone between 30 and 70, it is better to stay out of the market for now. So you see, now you know the real ratio of investors. I personally use an even tougher filter. This is from 80 and 80, below 20, and now I'll show you how I made money on it. Basically, the broker is giving us a look inside his system, which, nobody's ever done before. So the euro-dollar was moving downwards, and on April 5th, there was such a consolidation. I actually thought that the market will turn upward, but then I looked at the indicator Cayman, saw that the number of buyers has already exceeded 80, which means that the minority will now sell. Naturally, I want to be the minority, so I started a sell trade. And although it seemed that the euro is going to go up, in fact, it immediately fell even lower after that, which in fact confirms the work of this indicator. So let's go over it again. If the number of buyers exceeds 70%, it is a signal to sell. If the indicator shows that the number of sellers is already below 30%, it means that to be in the minority is to buy. Open an account with Markets Broker on the link below. Use Cayman and make money.